Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to access the program files directory for your Steam games. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on the main Steam interface, direct your attention to the top menu bar. Here you'll see several options and you'll want to click on Library. This is where all your installed and available games are displayed, making it easy to manage your entire Steam collection. Now in the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Locate any game you want to access the program files for, then right-click on it. A context menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Properties. This opens up the game's settings window where you can view and modify various aspects of the game, including installation details and local files. Once the Properties window opens, look at the left panel again. You'll notice several tabs listed vertically. Click on Installed Files. This section is specifically designed to give you access to where the game's files are stored on your computer, which is exactly what we need for accessing the program files directory. In the Installed Files section, you'll see a button labeled Browse. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a File Explorer window that takes you directly to the game's installation folder. This is a quick and efficient way to navigate to files that would otherwise require manually searching through your system directories. Now, in the File Explorer window that opens, you need to navigate up to the root Steam directory. Look for and double-click on Program Files x86. If you don't immediately see Program Files x86 in the current view, check the address bar at the top of the window as it will show you the current file path and help you navigate accordingly. Once you've located and opened Program Files x86, you should eventually see the Steam folder inside. This is the main directory where Steam stores all its game files, configurations, and other important data. From here, you can access any game's program files, modify configurations if needed, or troubleshoot issues by directly accessing the game's installation directory. And that's it. You've successfully navigated to the program files directory through Steam, giving you direct access to your game files. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.